What's up, YouTube? It's cralisa Victoria. Just a quick video, real quick. I already made this portion of this video like a week and a half ago. So the next part you'll see is my updated review once my package comes in. What's up, YouTube? It's cralisa Victoria. I am back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. If you've already been subscribed, then thanks for coming back. So in this video, we're just basically going to be, my plant is a little bit in the way, not going to get up to move it, just going to get straight into this video. I'm super bloated right now. I just ate dinner, or lunch rather. I just made vegan spaghetti, which I'm going to show you guys, but I just had I had vegan spaghetti and a green spinach smoothie. I'm super full, but let me show you all what your girl just had. So pretty much that's what I just ate for lunch. I'm literally about to tackle this water right here as well. Hydrated. So again, this bloat, you see, don't judge me. So right now I'm starting, basically the outfit that I have on did not come in today. This is actually my Power collection. So I have on, and if you guys look right here, it is like, I don't know, it's super high-waisted, but it's also seamless. So this line right here that looks like it's my belly fold fat, it's because of the elasticity. So if I stand up, you could see that it's not as it looks with me sitting down. Like I'm bloated, but I'm not as bloated. It's the fold right here. You can kind of see that band. And I'm gonna do just a full spin so you guys can actually see what these look like. The glutes are still being built, and bulking is definitely taking place. I have on boy shorts. They're kind of riding up a little bit, but whatever. But this is what this looks like. So I'm gonna sit back down so you guys can see all of me, but when you see that it folded in, honey, that's just because of the elastic band, and then kind of just like all of that. But anyway, it annoys me just looking at it, but I'm explaining to you guys what's up. So basically I have on the Power collection right now. I already had this sports bra. I already had these charcoal leggings. What you guys are going to be seeing me unveil in this box today is basically going to be, and you guys are going to be in for a treat, because what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to make two videos. One video we're just going to be talking about the pieces. The other video, so I can keep these very short, is going to basically be showing you the pieces and then trying them on. So pretty much I'm going to open the box up. I'm hoping they have all of my stuff. I need something to like open this box with, like a knife or something. Let's see if I can I open it up without? Hopefully. The box is a little smaller. They always have like different boxes. But this box is a little smaller, and I'm praying and hoping that all of my belongings are in here. I know that at the last minute, well, not the last minute, they were last minute, but I had in Women's Best, this is coming from Germany. So I had placed an order. Right when I placed my order, I noticed that all of my chips that I ordered, like the vegan chips, were supposed to be salt and vinegar, and I noticed at the last minute that they, like, it said sour cream and onion or something, and that's not what I ordered. Like, I know I hit salt and vinegar, and I bought like 9 bags of them because they were like on sale for like $1 or something, and if you spend a certain amount, then you get free shipping. So I wanted to just keep increasing my $1 chips until I got to that point where it was increased, where it was free shipping. I didn't want to get 2 bags of chips and I was $7 more away from actually getting free shipping. So I went ahead and I got chips. So let's see what they sent me. Oh my gosh, I kind of like this, guys. So first of all, let's just talk about some of these women, okay? So the inside of the box, I haven't seen it like this before, but I really like this. So at the top it says, I'm going to show you each tab. Win a luxury trip. So it tells you like what the steps are.
I was about to freak out because I thought that they gave me like some random box and flipped it inside out, because I was gonna say, now that right there, that's just women's best. That is trashy. But psych, it's not trashy, because inside it actually has something on each of the inside panels. So I like that they did the box inside out, because it allows for you to open it and see these things. So this tells you about the luxury trip, what you can do to win it, what you have to do, right? So then when you open up these other flaps, I'll show you one by one. You have a women's best brand ambassador. You have other women best and brand ambassadors, which the Fancy Fit, her, I really like her. She's gorgeous. Her personality is gorgeous, but her transformation is also beautiful. And then you have another women's best girl. Now there's a few women's best brand ambassadors who I've been seeing for some time, and those are the ones that I really like. All these other girls on here, I'm not saying they're not great, but they're like newer to my face. I'm used to Hannah Oberg and a few other women's best babes, and then Fancy Fit. And I'm saying Fancy Fit because I think that's like the IG name, but basically I have my women's best ones that I really, really like. But they're all phenomenal women, but like I'm saying, Hannah had that baby, so that's probably why we're not seeing her on a lot of this stuff. She's getting her life. But anyway, let's get to the chips. So they look like their chip packages are bigger, okay? Because I don't remember them being this big last time, because I have ordered chips from them before. They come in different flavors as well. So these are the protein crisp cheese onions. I have to make sure Women's Best does have a lot of I'm trying to read the back. They have a lot of vegan options, but they also have some options that yep, see, this is what my fear was. These protein crispy cheese onion chips have dairy in them. They have milk. That's why I ordered the salt and vinegar, so they gave me the wrong chips. So all of my protein crisp cheese onions, I may do a giveaway. So if you like protein crisp cheese onion, or you never had them but you like cheese onion, then I definitely want you guys to taste this. So let's see. I think they gave me all cheese onion. I am so mad, and I tried to change it. The very moment that I placed the order and I saw that the chips were cheese onion and not salt and vinegar, I reached out to them, and they were not able to change my order in time. And they said, oh, it's because the order was already processing. I'm like, no, sis, I reached out to y'all the second my order was placed, when I noticed on the receipt it said cheese onion instead of salt and vinegar. So good thing they're only $1 something. That's like $10 all these chips or something. Good thing it's that, because if it weren't, I think I would be feeling some type of way if it were any other item. But they did say I can refuse my order when it got here and got a refund. I didn't want to refuse the order because I had other items in the box that were not only like pertaining to the snack portion of Women's Best, and I didn't want to have them like return all of my stuff just because of $10 worth of chips. So, or probably a little bit more than $10 worth. Let's see what were they ring up as. I had a quantity of 9 of them. So I think I paid like $16.11 total on those chips. So yeah, I'm feeling some type of way. Oh, my camera is about to die. But anyway, I am feeling some type of way because I wanted my salt and vinegar chips. I've had them before. They were good. And then with me having cheese onion, I'm vegan, so I'm not going to eat those because obviously I don't want the milk. So then also, this is the all-in-one meal replacement. It does look a little bit, to me, more, it looks more yellow. I don't know, maybe they changed the concoction that it used to. I haven't had it in a while because it used to sell out, and then I also started drinking a lot of my vegan protein a lot, so I didn't even, A lot of this stuff is gluten-free. I'm reading some things. I feel like they changed their concoction up. There's a lot of things that I'm actually going to have to stop doing within their brand because it's like, it includes, I'm dropping like all the chips. Milk, so I think I'm going to do a giveaway or whatever. I probably do some Women's Best giveaway on some of those products. And yeah, just stay tuned to my channel. You'll be a part of it. So then on the bottom it says thank you for your order, which is really nice or whatever. But I am still feeling some type of way about my order not being completely right. So obviously I'm gonna put it on in another video, just like I said, but I've ordered a charcoal top to match like the bottoms that I have on, which through the bag it's not looking like the same color. So I think it is, but whatever. So I ordered that, and then I ordered the lilac set. So if you guys are going to want to see me try these on, and this is this one, then you're gonna want to go ahead and catch my next video, which is gonna be a try-on haul for simply this order. I don't know why I feel like I ordered more than what I have, and they're like missing some things, but it could just be me. It definitely could be me. I don't know. But then I ordered the lilac set, which was very, very poppin' and popular. I am born in February, so my birthstone is amethyst. So this is this lavender like lilac color was just so beautiful to me, and I couldn't get my hands on like the matching top size at the time, so I was like, forget it. But now I've gotten my hands on both. So if you guys want to see me try those on, then make sure you stay tuned. But that's pretty much what my Women's Best haul looked like for the day. I am going to, like I told you guys, do a giveaway. I might even do the giveaway in the same bag that it was shipped to me in. I mean the box, just to ensure that the chips make it safely and don't get crunched. But these are the chips. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do separate giveaways, like, or if I'm gonna do them all together. I might, I don't know, do like a giveaway on that as well. We will see how we're gonna do. But anyway, in order to be qualified for the giveaway, you're gonna need to have liked and watched this video. Also, make sure you comment in the comment section below. If you're following me on Instagram, go to cralisa Victoria, spelled the same way as my YouTube, to be qualified to be in the giveaway. Not exactly sure when I'm gonna do the giveaway, but I will keep you guys tuned as to when. So in order to be eligible, just make sure you do the following things. I'll drop it in the description box below in case somebody wants to read and qualify for being a part of my Women's Best collection giveaway. So I'll see you beautiful people in the next video. I know this video went almost 15 minutes long, but I just had to get all that information out. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be back with my try-on haul for my pieces for Women's Best.
It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something?